this is the second axle I've gotten that's brand new. The first one had some noise in it, some play in the inner CV joint, and I believe this one has it too. I don't know if you can hear this. It definitely has play, rotational play. It's already clicking. Compared to the one I took out of the car, this one seems to be good. Has no movement. Maybe has a slight clicking, but this is used. Way less play, if any, when compared to this. Should I use it?